Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you in-depth, hands-on reviews of the latest products. Today, we're looking at a blender that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender in the stunning blue velvet color. This blender is packed with features that aim to make your blending tasks more efficient and, dare we say, even enjoyable. So what makes the K400 stand out, and does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The KitchenAid K400 is a high-performance blender designed to make quick work of everything from smoothies to tough ingredients like kale and almonds. At the heart of its design is a three-part blending system that combines a ribbed jar, an asymmetric blade, and Intelli-Speed Motor Control. The ribbed jar is specially designed to create a vortex, pulling ingredients toward the blade to ensure an even blend. Meanwhile, the asymmetric blade is designed to work in all directions for maximum efficiency, no matter what you're blending. The Intelli-Speed Motor Control is a key feature. This tech senses the contents in the jar and adjusts the speed accordingly, ensuring optimal performance for a smoother blend. One of the standout features of the K400 is its ability to handle tough ingredients like kale and almonds with ease. If you're someone who loves to make whole food smoothies, this blender promises to quickly turn those ingredients into the smooth texture you crave. The variable speed dial allows for a wide range of textures, from smooth and creamy to chunky depending on your recipe. Plus, with 3 preset recipe programs, Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie, it's designed to take the guesswork out of your blending, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Now, we have to talk about the self-clean cycle. It's as simple as adding water and a drop of soap, then running the cycle, and just like that, your blender is ready for the next use. For those of us who dread cleaning blenders after every use, this feature is a game changer. When it comes to real-world usage, setting up the KitchenAid K400 was a breeze. The blender is sturdy, with a well-built feel that immediately gives confidence in its durability. The user experience is just as straightforward. Selecting the speed or program is intuitive, and the soft start feature is a nice touch. It slowly starts at a low speed, pulling ingredients into the blade before ramping up to your selected speed. This helps avoid any unnecessary splatter, especially when working with liquids. In testing, I found the K400 to be incredibly effective at making smoothies. Tough ingredients like frozen fruit, spinach, and even kale were blended with ease, creating a smooth, creamy texture every time. It's also impressive at crushing ice, making it perfect for cold drinks. However, when it comes to chunkier textures, I noticed that it took a little longer to achieve the desired consistency, especially with denser ingredients like nuts. But with some adjustments to the speed, it was still up to the task. The self-cleaning feature worked as advertised, saving time and effort after every use. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the K400 stands out for its build quality. It feels solid and premium, not flimsy like some other blenders on the market. The Intelli-Speed Motor Control ensures that no matter the ingredients, the blender adjusts its speed to get the best results. The variable speed dial gives you control over the texture, and the preset programs make blending even easier. The self-clean feature is a huge plus for convenience, and it does a great job at handling tougher ingredients. On the flip side, while it's great at creating smooth textures, achieving chunkier blends can be a bit more time-consuming. Some users may prefer a quicker process, especially if you're in a hurry to prepare meals. Another minor con is the noise. It's not particularly loud, but it's worth noting that high-powered blenders tend to be on the noisier side. And while it's not a deal breaker, the K400 does have a slightly larger footprint than other blenders, so it may take up more counter space than you'd like. In terms of value for money, the KitchenAid K400 is a premium blender that offers a lot of features and performance for its price. When compared to other high-end blenders, it's reasonably priced, especially considering the motor power and the versatility it provides. For those who value easy cleaning, the self-clean feature alone could justify the investment. However, if you're primarily looking for a blender for quick smoothies or don't need the advanced settings, there are cheaper alternatives out there that might suit your needs just fine. When comparing the KitchenAid K400 to other popular blenders, like the Vitamix 50200 or the Ninja Professional, the K400 holds its own in terms of performance, but at a slightly lower price point. The Vitamix, for example, is a powerhouse, but it comes with a significantly higher price tag, which may not be justified if you're not blending on a daily basis. On the other hand, the Ninja Professional offers similar power, but it lacks the variable speed settings and self-clean function that set the K400 apart. Overall, the K400 strikes a good balance between price and performance. As for the build quality, the K400's materials feel high-end with a solid base and a durable rib jar. The blade system is robust, and the overall construction feels reliable. KitchenAid has a strong reputation for producing long-lasting appliances, and based on my experience, the K400 seems built to last. While we don't have long-term data on this model specifically, KitchenAid's track record gives confidence that it will stand the test of time, assuming proper care and use. Now let's briefly touch on customer support. I haven't had any personal interactions with their support team, but KitchenAid is known for being responsive and helpful when it comes to warranty or product issues. They offer a comprehensive warranty on their products, which adds an extra layer of reassurance for buyers. To wrap it all up, the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender does what it sets out to do. Delivers powerful performance, versatility, and a solid user experience. Its design and features, including the self-cleaning function and Intelli-Speed Motor Control, make it a standout option for those who need a reliable blender for smoothies, ice crushing, and beyond. While it may not be the fastest for chunkier blends, its overall performance and ease of use more than make up for it. If you're in the market for a blender that combines performance with convenience, the K400 is definitely worth considering. It's best suited for individuals or families looking for a blender that can handle both everyday tasks and more demanding ingredients with ease. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting your hands on the KitchenAid K400, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you already own the K400. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, remember, there's always more inside when it comes to reviews inside TV.